Good morning, students. It's me, Shana Parveen, your science teacher here to continue chapter Natural Resources, in which today's topic is water pollution. Water becomes polluted when there is any physical, chemical, or biological change in its quality that makes water unsuitable for use and adversely affects living organisms. Or we can say that water pollution can be defined as the addition of some substances which degrades the quality of water so that either it becomes health hazards or unfit for use. Though the importance of water cannot be stressed enough, it is being contaminated on a daily basis by us. हमारे थ्रू ये daily contaminate अशुद्ध हो रहा है. Water is a universal solvent. Because of this property of water, it absorbs all the substances, minerals, most of which are harmful to living organisms. Use of pesticides and insecticides by farmers this way proves to be hazardous as water absorbs these substances. क्योंकि water जो है सभी substances को absorb कर लेता है, जिसकी वजह से ये insecticides, pesticides जब इनमें मिल जाते हैं तो water polluted हो जाता है. Also, lack of proper sewage system results in the water from industries getting redirected to water bodies, causing water pollution. This water is consumed by us, animals, and even the life inside this water, ultimately leading to health hazards. In India, near about 40 million people have been affected by poor quality of water caused by water pollution. Some poisons, pathogens means disease causing microorganism is called pathogen, pollute the water even at low concentration. Groundwater pollution is mainly caused by septic tanks, industries like textile, chemicals and tanneries, deep well injections, and mining activities. Surface water like streams, lake, etc. contains a small amount of suspended particles and many microorganisms. Water used for household, agriculture and industrial purposes when discharged after use is polluted with soluble, insoluble matter and even pathogens. The domestic effluents include human and animal excreta, detergents, plenty of organic matter in the form of food residue. Industries usually discharge wastewater into ponds, lake and rivers. Industrial pollutants are the most hazardous pollutant on land and water. The surface runoff from fields contains agrochemical like DDT which are non-degradable. And these are few effects of water pollution. The chemical constituency of water is disturbed due to various industrial activities of man. This adversely impacts organisms living in that ecosystem. If large quantities of mercury are present in aquatic habitat, it can induce hormonal imbalances when consumed. Oil spills lead to the death of marine creatures and drastically affects the ecosystem. Polluted water when used for irrigation causes depletion इन द लेवल ऑफ सॉइल फर्टिलिटी. अगर हम पॉल्यूटेड वाटर यूज़ करेंगे इरिगेशन के लिए, खेतों की सिंचाई के लिए, तो क्या होगा, सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. एसिड रेन की वजह से क्या होता है, एसिड रेन कैन बी हैजार्डस एंड ऑल्सो हैज़ प्रूवन टू कॉज डिस्ट्रक्शन टू द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. High level of phosphorus, nitrogen in water can lead to the growth of invasive plants. पैथोजन कंटामिनेटेड वाटर इज नोन टू बी कॉज ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डिसीज, जैसे जॉइंटिस होगा, कॉलरा, टाइफाइड, डायसेंट्री. एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म आर अडेप्टेड टू सर्वाइव इन अ पर्टिकुलर रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. एनी सडन चेंज इन इट्स टेम्परेचर may affect their breeding and can cause damage to their eggs and larvae. Any change which retards the dissolved oxygen in water bodies. So here are few effects of water pollution. If you have any queries, so you can ask. That's all for today. Bye.